Hello friends. Today I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Windows 10 Pro on your Mac for free using BOOTCAMP Assistant. This is totally free and works perfectly. I will be downloading Microsoft Windows ISO image file from the official Microsoft website. I have given the link in the description below from where you can download the Windows ISO image file. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to the official Microsoft website from where you can download the ISO file. After the website is opened, then you will see the option to select the edition under which you have to select Windows 10 and click Confirm. Then you will have to select the language English or whatever language in which you want to get the Windows and click Confirm. Now you have to select either 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your system. If you don't know whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, then watch my other video whose link is given in the description. The download will start as soon as you click on Allow. I am canceling it because I have downloaded it already, and all this was for your understanding. The image file would be around 5.4 GB, so it is going to take some time depending on your internet connection speed. After the download is done, then you have to check the downloads folder once for confirming that the file is downloaded completely. Now go to Spotlight Search and search for BOOTCAMP Assistant and click on the application to launch it. Click on Continue and then you will see that BOOTCAMP has automatically detected the ISO image file. If in case it is not detected, then you have to click on Choose and go to Downloads, under which you will find the image file. Now select the image file with name Win10 and click Open. After that you will have to decide at how much space you want to give to Windows and macOS respectively, and then click on Install. Now enter the password of your Mac. Remember this, that the partition once made cannot be changed, so select the partition very carefully or else you will have to remove Windows and then repeat the whole procedure, and make sure your device is connected to the power source all the time. This is the processing part and you need to have patience for this. It will start downloading the Windows upgrades and other required software and drivers. This process will take about an hour to complete. The time period may vary and be less or more depending on your internet speed. You will just have to follow the on-screen procedures after the download is complete, and I will be showing you the complete procedure. It might show 400 or 500 minutes left, but it's incorrect and it can take a maximum of 90 minutes. Now enter the password of your Mac. Now select language as English, United States. And again select English, United States for time and currency format. Select keyboard or input method as US. Now click on Next. If you have a product key, then enter it, or if you don't have the key, then you can proceed by clicking on I don't have a product key. Now you have to select whether you want to install Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. Do not select any version whose name ends with the letter N because it will install the Windows but without media softwares. Click Next. Now click on the checkbox showing I accept the license terms, and click Next. Now select the partition named BOOTCAMP with the space you had allotted before in BOOTCAMP Assistant, and click Next. Now the Windows installation will start. This process will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure your device is connected to the power source all the time. Your system will restart now. Now select your region and click Yes. Select the right keyboard layout for you. And skip this. As the Wi-Fi drivers aren't installed, so you cannot connect to your network at the moment. So click on I don't have internet. And now click on Continue with limited setup. Now create a local username and click Next. Enter a password you won't forget as it cannot be recovered. Click No. Click Accept. Click Accept. This is BOOTCAMP installer and many important softwares will be installed by this, and this process shouldn't be cancelled or skipped as it might cause problems in connecting to the Wi-Fi or going back to macOS, and click Next. Now click on the checkbox showing I accept the terms and license agreement, and click Next. This process will take some time, so please wait patiently. Make sure your device is connected to the power source all the time. Now click Finish and then click Yes. Your system will restart now and all the drivers for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other devices will be installed. Enter the local password you created earlier. Please watch this video till the end because I will show you how to switch between macOS and Windows 10 in the end. So as the Wi-Fi driver is installed now, you have to connect to your network so that the setup is completed. As soon as you connect to your network, you will be asked to complete the setup. So click OK now, and your system will restart now. Click Let's Go and log into your Microsoft account. Please watch this video till the end because I will show you how to switch between Mac OS and Windows 10 in the end. Please watch this video till the end because I will show you how to switch between Mac OS and Windows 10 in the end. Now click on No. If you don't want to connect your Android or iPhone device to your Windows, then you can skip this by clicking on Do It Later. Please watch this video till the end because I will show you how to switch between Mac OS and Windows 10 in the end. Now click on No. Finally, it's done, and now you can use Windows on your Mac without any problem. You can download any game and play it without any restriction. Thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel to get more content like this related to Mac and its features. Now I will show you how to switch between Mac OS and Windows. While you are logged into Windows or Mac OS, then first you will have to power off your device normally. Now after your device is off, you have to start your device again by pressing the power button, and as soon as you press the power button, then after that press and hold Option or Alt button until you see two options, Windows and Untitled. So to boot into Windows, select Windows, or else Untitled to boot into Mac OS. Now shut down your device. Press the power button to start your device, and as soon as you press the power button, then press and hold Option or Alt button until you see something like this. Now shut down your device. Press the power button to start your device, and as soon as you press the power button, then press and hold Option or Alt button until you see something like this. Select the name registered to your Mac, such as mine is Akash, so I am choosing it to boot into Mac. Thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel to get more content like this related to Mac and its features. You can download any game and play it without any restriction. I had uploaded a video on how to download and play GTA San Andreas on Mac earlier, and few of you face problems in playing it, so I request you that if possible then please install Windows to your Mac as I showed before in this video, because with this you can not only play GTA San Andreas but any other game by just downloading it from the web and start playing without doing anything else, as you won't need to download Wine Bottler in Windows. To watch how to download GTA San Andreas and play it on Mac, click on the link in the description, and if you want to download Windows and play GTA San Andreas on it, then subscribe and be ready for my latest video coming within 3 days. Thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel to get more content like this related to Mac and its features.